Variety of Ottawa was founded in 1992 in Ottawa, and we're part of an international children's charity. We have branches in Vancouver, Calgary, Winnipeg, and two in Ontario, Toronto being the biggest group.
We've donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to children's causes throughout the National Capital Region. We concentrate on families and individuals as opposed to supporting organizations. That's one of the advantages of a small charity, is that we can target individual families and so on.
Variety of Ottawa helps children with special needs. Variety is organized so that we not only give to foundations and to groups, but also to individual children with specific needs, which makes us different from other charities, that we can deal with individuals on an individual basis.
We look to individual families that need things like shoes, bedding, all of those things that so many of our kids, especially we're finding autistic kids, need support in those areas. So that's what we've been concentrating on for the last little while.
This is Mateo. He was born prematurely and as a result is now spastic quadriplegic. This severely limits his mobility. Mentally, he is not affected, but he is trapped in a body that will not cooperate. With the help of Variety of Ottawa, Mateo's family modified their van with a ramp and hoist. Thanks to Variety's dedication to help individual families, Mateo can enjoy the freedom of mobility that so many of us take for granted.
Given all of the different elements that are in our lives, a lot of children are growing up in a lot tougher scenario. So I would strongly suggest for people, once they start hit an age or hit an opportunity where they can augment some of their disposable income to a charity, that they would look to Variety.
This year, Variety's starting its 10th year in Ottawa. We're looking to get new members. We're looking to get donations from as many people as possible. And I just want to say thank you to those of you that have made inquiries about joining Variety, about helping out with these kids. It's probably one of the most enjoyable things and rewarding things that you'll ever do, is to help these children. So on behalf of all of us at Variety, we want to say thank you. Your efforts today, I can't express how much help this is going to mean to these children. And on their behalf, thank you very much.